Good evening, everyone. This is my system. This is the system what I've been working on. It's actually for a pet clinic. So this is the landing page where you can find all the information about the clinic. So this is the landing page, and this is the about page. As you know here, it shows it highlights the features that are in the system, and we also have this one what are testimonials from from the client, for the people who consulted the clinic before. So this is the simple analysis what is done there, and for this analysis, have used chat.gs for making this beautiful graph. So we also have testimonials here, people who consulted the clinic, what it says about how they have been cured, and finally this is the footer. So for a person to log, if you have liked this, if you have liked what the clinic is doing, you can simply log in as client. So once you click on login, here the system as of now, it has two kind of users. So we have the client and the admin. So as of now, I'm going to log in as admin. You select the type of user you were, and yeah, here we go. Admin. This is the password. So this is the admin dashboard, and you can see that right now we only have one page registered, and in, here on the other side on the other side on the side nav bar, you can see that there is appointment link, client link, pet link, billing link, vet management report, and also setting. So let's try to navigate or to go through each page so that you can grab what is there, what is the system doing actually. So here, the appointment, we can create an appointment for a client. So let me try to create a new appointment. So this is, once you click there, it brings you this page, and from this page you're now going to, here we have some field. The first field is you are going to select the client's name. As of now, we only have one client, and what is Mbendi Emmanuel. Basically, it is my name. Here you select the date that you want to meet the veterinarian. You select the date. You select the purpose. Why do you want to meet the veterinarian? So this, if it is vaccination, if you want to vaccinate your pet, you just click on this one, and here it is optional. It's optional, so you can just leave it. And here, the status is that it changed to, once you fill up the form, it changed to scheduled. So this is the pet. So this is my pet, because actually as of now we only have one user. And here, this one, it brings error if there is nothing. So here, schedule an appointment. So this field, okay, you know this field here, it is for pet. As of now, it's not bringing, it's not fetching data because we don't have any pets registered. So let me so here I've created the pets. I've already created pet. You can see now here we have one pet, and this is the pet name, and the detail, it is a dog. The owner, this is the name of the owner. So the day that you registered that pet, we also have some actions here in case the admin want to view, update, or delete. So as of now, we only have one one pet. That's the reason why we cannot go further by testing other functionalities. So let's go to the client. As I've said that we have one client, and by the time you reduce a client, it brings the client's name, the contact, and where the client stays, and also the date that the client registered. So let me go back to the dashboard. Here we have billing. Now here we can create an invoice for a client. So this one I've already created this invoice, but let me try to do it again. So let me select the client is still Emmanuel, and once you there's something what I want to highlight in this page. Once you when you're creating an invoice, the invoice number it is auto generated. That means you do not have to type for it. Invoice date, you put the date, everything, and they're here. Service, if it is let- let's say vaccination, because at first what I meant was checking vaccination. Here you put description all vaccine, about vaccination quantity. That this quantity, it's it is the quantity, like how many pets do you have. So let me just say now one, because I only have one pet, and the amount that that person on the amount that that person owes the clinic. So let me put 40,000 as of now, 40,000. And here you can see that it's also bring it also brings the tax 18%. And if you try to sum up this one with the tax, it gives you 47,200 shillings. So you can put a note here, then you create an invoice. You can see now here we have a message here: invoice successfully, invoice created successfully. You scroll down, you now see that this one is still not the same client. I don't know why he didn't want to pay, but this one has this amount as debit, and also this one. If you try to sum them together, you're going to have this amount. So let's go to settings. This setting here, the admin can update his detail, the clinic name, the email, the clinic email, the address, the logo, everything. And then here also we also have working hours. So the admin is the one, the admin is the one to update it. So that means if you have a client who is using the system, assuming that tomorrow it is a public holiday, you can just change this one. It's become disabled. That means on that day the clinic is just going to be open. It's just going to be used. So here the admin can change the password, put the new password, and he confirms here. This is the role. It should be the same. Here this is the admin name, and here it is the email. So let me go back to the dashboard, but there is something here what I want to show you, what is very it's very interesting. It is the process of generating a report. So let's go very fast to it. Let's generate a report. Let's click on generate report. It's taking time. It's a system. You have to understand. You have to bear with this. Here we go. Now here we are getting a report from for the appointment. So, and the date, it is today. I want to. It is from the first of this month to the end of to up to this extent here, what is today. So let me now here, before you sub before an admin generating a report, if it should first sign to confirm that, okay, I'm the one requesting for this report. So let me sign here, let me sign here, let me put my signature here. So here you can see that I'm signing. This is the interesting point of this work. There you can now generate a report. So let me download it. You can see right here that the report is now the report it is being downloaded. So let me open the report. You can see you're also going to see the signature. So this is the signature for the admin, and also the date, the name of the page, This is the only page which we have in our system right away, right now. So let me close this page, and we we go back to we go back to this. So this basically this is the system. Let me log out very quickly, and we go into the client system, the client dashboard. So for the clients, it is Emma. I love my name. This is the password. Here we go. This is it. It is a weak password. I understand. This is the this is the pet. This is the client dashboard. So this is his profile. Here we have the quick actions. You can just click here or use the sat nav bar to navigate through the system. So here, the client can see his page, and with the picker, if you pick here, and here he can add a new page, or if if he has lost his or her pet, he can just delete and add a new one. So let's go back to dashboard. We also have the book appointment here. The client can book an appointment to visit the veterinarian. And here you can see that if you have an appointment, it shows this one. This one, it means you only have one appointment. If you had another one, it's now going to be two. You can also see that this one is scheduled, but you have not yet been assigned a veterinarian. That means once the admin assigns you the veterinarian that you are going to meet, it's going to update here. Let's go to the billing. The billing here, you can see that this one has, the current balance is zero. I don't know why it does not have money, but you can see now the debit what this user is having. What is the bed amount? I remember, if you were attentive, you watch it at the beginning. At the beginning, that this bed amount has now this debit. You can now see is showing the total, the amount, the draft, everything. So this system, everything is working perfectly. And here, this last part, it is a edit profile. So here, the here the client can edit his profile. Assuming that he understand the phone number, you can just update it for there, or he understand the email address. So this one, just for the purpose that it keep, for the purpose that it keeps being, in touch with, it keeps being in touch with the client. So thank you for watching. Thank you for having stick on up this point. I appreciate that, and thank you for your time.